Good morning, dear children. Today I will tell you exercise 10.3 of class 4th maths. In the last video, I told you exercise 10.2 and how we convert into kilogram, gram, kiloliter, liter, or deciliter, centimeter. Here also these questions. Here we convert kg to gram. So all of you here 1 kg. Here the first question is convert to gram. So 3 kg. So 1 kg equal 1000 gram. All of you remember units: kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, then milligram. Okay, 7 units, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and these units the difference between 10, and we do the multiply. When we convert it to greater to smaller, then what will we do here? Multiply. And then when convert smaller to greater, then what will we do? We do divide. So here we convert kg to gram. So kg is here and gram is here. Kg is here and gram is here. So what will we do? Kg to gram is we do the multiply. But which number? How many? 10, 10, 10. Means how many tens? 3 times 10. So 10 multiplied by 10 equal 100. 100 multiplied by 10 equal 1000. We find the unit 1 kg equal 1000 gram. So we write here 1 kg equal 1000 gram. Okay? Now then 3 kg equal 3 multiplied by 1000 equal 3000 gram. Okay? Now the third question, 9 kg 279 gram. So 1 kg equal 1000 gram. Just I told you here. Now the 9 kg, this is 279. 279 is already in gram, but 9 kg is gram. Here we convert into the gram. So dear children, this only we change here 9 kg into gram, because this is already in gram. So 9 multiplied by 1000 plus 279 equal 9279 gram. Okay, we add 279 to 9000. Why? Because here 9 is kg, but when we do the multiply, 9 multiplied by 1000, then 9000 is gram. Then this is a gram and this is also already in gram. So units, both numbers are unit is same. So this number to this number, we add this number to this number equal 9279 gram. Okay. Now question number 7. Now next question, 10 whole 1 by 4. 10 whole 1 by 4 means 10 kg. This is the whole number and this is the fractional number. So 1 upon 4 means 1000 divided by 4 equal 250 grams. Okay? Because 1/4 means 1 kg का 4th part. So 1 upon 4 means 1 kg equal 1000 gram. Then upon 4, then 1000 divided by 4 equal 250 gram. So 10 whole 1 by 4 kg equal 1 kg equal 1000 gram. Then 10 whole 1 by 4 kg, this is kg, equal 10 kg plus 1 upon this fractional number 1 upon 4 kg. Okay? Now here 1 upon 4 kg, but when we convert the 1000 upon 4 equal to, when we write 250, then we write gram, not kg. So the 10 kg plus 1 upon 4 की जगह क्या मिलेगा? 250 ग्राम. How 250 कम? 1000 upon 4 equal 250. 1000 कहाँ से आया? 1 upon 4 kg means 1 kg का 4th part. So 1000 divided by 4 equal 250 kg. Okay. Now, then 10 kg plus 250, this type question. Okay. Now 1 kg equal 1000 gram. Then 10 kg equal 10 multiplied by 1000 equal 10,000. This is already in grams. So 250. 10,000 plus 250 equal 10,250 gram. Okay, dear children. So question number first A is completed. Now the next question. Next question is convert to kilogram and gram. Here, in the first question we convert here kg to gram, but in this question kilo and gram both. Okay. So the first question is 4,000 gram. So 1,000 gram equal 1 kg. Here now look at here gram. Here gram, and we convert here kg and gram. Okay. So gram to kg we move smaller to greater. Then what will we do here? Divide. Okay. Gram to kg. So 1,000 gram equal 1 kg. So 4,000 gram equal 4,000 upon 1,000 equal this 0 cut. This 0, this 0, this 0, this 0 equal 4 upon 1 equal 4 kg. Okay. Now here the question number third. 7,489 gram. So 1,000 gram equal 1,000 gram equal 1 kg. So 7,489 gram equal upon 1,000. Now in the last video I told you here how many zeros? 3 0. 1 2 3. Okay. So the 3 0. So 1 2 3 means 489 is your remainder and 7 is your quotient. Why? Because here 3 0 means 3 0 is your remainder. जब आप इसको डिवाइड करेंगे 7 4 8 9 तो आपका ये रिमाइंडर आएगा 1000 से बन जाए 7000 इक्वल 489 489. So this is your 7 kg and 489 is gram. Okay. So dear children, 7,489 divided by 1,000 equal 7 kg 489 gram. Now fifth question 3,500 means 3,500 gram. So very simple question. 1,000 gram equal 1 kg. Then 3,500 gram equal 3,500 divided by 1,000 equal how many zero? 1 2 3 0. 1 2 3 means here. So 3 kg and 500 gram. Okay. So the question, this question is completed. Now the question, next question, question number C. Now question number C question. Solve these stories sum. So first question is your school bag weight 3 whole 1 by 2 kg. Convert it to gram. This question just like question number first. Here school bag weight is 3 whole 1 by 2 kg. So according to the question we convert into kg to gram. So 1 kg equal 1000 gram. Then 3 whole 1 by 2 kg equal, this is whole number, so 3 kg and 1 upon 2 kg. Okay. So 1 upon 2 kg equal 500 gram. Half kg equal 500 gram. So 3 kg is 3 multiplied by 1000 equal 3000 gram plus 500. This is already in gram. So 3500 gram means that the weight of school bag in gram is 3500. Okay. Now the question number 2. Next question. The mass of newborn baby is 3080 gram. So convert this mass to gram. Convert this mass to kilogram and gram. So dear children, here kg, here we convert here into gram. Then in this question gram is given here, we convert here kg and gram. Okay. So mass of newborn baby is 3080 gram. So according to the question here we convert 3080 gram to kg and gram. So 1000 gram equal 1 kg. Here 3080 gram equal 3080 upon 1000 is 30 is here 1 2 3. So 3 kg 80 gram. अब आप ये जीरो लिखें या चाहे नहीं लिखें, बट ये लिखेंगे तो आपको ज्यादा सही इजी रहेगा. क्यों? क्योंकि यदि आप ऐसा लिखते हैं 3 kg देन 80 ग्राम, ये भी आपका राइट है. ओके, बट यही यदि डेसिमल में लिखा होता 3.8 kg, तब ये आपका रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. ये इसका मीनिंग हो गया 3.800 ग्राम, नॉट हियर 80 ग्राम, नॉट 800 ग्राम. सो दिस इज रॉन्ग. इसलिए हम जीरो लगाए या चाहे नहीं लगाए. ठीक. सो डियर चिल्ड्रन 3 kg 80 gram. So dear children, this exercise is completed. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.